How to put the Chinese letters on Roblox display name. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will see how can we change our display name on Roblox into the Chinese letters. First of all, launch your Roblox application and then log in using your credentials. After that, you can tap on your avatar or go to settings, or you could directly tap on the profile name. From the screen, now tap on Edit Profile or the pen-like icon. Now, open any of your preferred browser and go to Google Translate. Next up, you'll have to choose the languages. From the languages, select from English to Chinese but traditional one. Once you have selected the language, write in whatever you want to display the name or the phrase. Then after, copy it. Once you paste the name, make sure that it should have at least 3 characters. So even in the Chinese letters, it should match the criteria. So you can go again and make sure that it is of 3 letters. Once this is done, you can paste it into the section and then save it. And just by that, you have edited your display name into the Chinese letter. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.